Hello? Woo, woo. Hello? Woo, woo. Hello? Hello? Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to my home studio, and this is my first video ever, and today I'm gonna show you how I build my vocal booth or an isolation box for under $100. This guy works two purposes. First is isolation, voice isolation, so obviously it will isolate your voice inside from the outside world. Not 100%, so this one at least for me, I think 50% noise from the outside was cancelled inside this box. So next is sound absorption. What is sound absorption? You want to make your voice created inside this box as flat as possible. Like no echo, no reverb. You want it dead flat. And yeah, it's kind of awkward to hear when your voice is really dead and flat, but we want it that way. Sorry guys, I did not take videos while I'm doing this. I just want to show you the overview or just an idea for you to do this. No tools needed. You just literally need a blade or something to cut this foam, and that's all. Yeah. So first material is foamular isolation foam. This is really easy to work with. It's lightweight because it's foam, and then it's sturdy enough to build this one, and it's 2 inches thick, so the thicker the better. I used only one 4x8 foam. I will put the link for you to check it out. This name is called reflective isolation. Yeah, it's $25. Packing tapes, like I used 2 of this to wrap all of them around, and duct tape. So we need a connection, a really strong tape to connect them together. Blanket, just blanket. I ripped off one pillow. Actually, this is not a pillow. There's some like wool sheets or foam, but this is not organic. This is synthetic. I used this one to put it here inside, so this isolates the sound from the outside to the inside of your box, and this one damps the sound so that it will not make echo, because this one the board is like really dense. It's hard, so the sound waves will reflect back to you. So the use of this will damp your sound, so it will be trapped inside. The idea is, this is the foam, this is the isolation foam, this is your cotton or whatever, pillow or wool, something. I think cloth is better to wrap this one, to wrap the cotton inside the foam. So it's something like that. So it looks like a pillow. And at the back I put tapes. Oh no, I put duct tape. I just duct tape it. But in my case, I use this insulation, reflected insulation, because I have this a lot. So I use this one, and then put the foam inside, wrap it, and then tape all the edges, make the foam trap inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 6 pieces that look like this, and then put them all together, make a box. So that's it, you have an ISObox. This is how it looks inside. So this is the used cloth that I used. Same thing. It's just the same thing inside, still the foam, like the foam from the pillow. I just wrap it, and then I realized I don't have enough cloth. That's why I use this kind of insulation, reflected insulation. And after the reflected insulation, I put this acoustic foam to look good, and actually it also actually helps damping the sounds inside the box. So let's try the sound from outside. Hello, 1 2 3, sound check, 1 2, sound check, 1 2 1 2, and inside, sound check, 1 2 1 2, sound check, 1 2 1 2, sound check. Hi, hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello, ooh, ooh. Hello, ooh, ooh. Hello, hello. So that's the idea. So I bet it really sounds different from outside and inside. It has a big difference. I think it takes 50% noise from the outside for me. So yeah, so let's try my condenser mic. So this is sound from the inside of my ISObox. Hello, 1 2 3, sound check, sound check. And this is the sound outside of my box. Check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Hello, 1 2 3, sound check. Check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Hello, 1 2 3, sound check. Check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This is the sound of SM58 mic outside the box. Check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, sound check, sound check. This is the sound of the mic SM58 inside the box. Check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, sound check, sound check. This is the sound of SM58 mic outside the box. Check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, sound check, sound check. This is the sound of the mic SM58 inside the box. Check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, sound check, sound check. It works! So yes, let's try singing on it. And yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something about my ISObox. Sorry I did not take videos while I'm doing this because I was really excited. I was concentrating making this box, so I don't have a time to take a video. So I guess it's kinda worth it making this one. And don't forget to subscribe and like or leave a comment below. So tell me what you think about my box. As for me, it really works. And yes, subscribe for more videos, more DIYs, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. So just imagine guys how lightweight this setup is. This light stand is really thin, like it's for the flash or lights because it's a light stand, and it carries the whole weight because it's really light. And I don't. This is the setup of my wood. I hope if you have like better ideas how to attach this box with this light stand, I just wrap the light stand with the wood and make a frame out of it. Yeah, that's my setup. That's it, and it's detachable, it's not fixed.